So much. My name is Abincha, the Executive Secretary for Kisii County. We have gathered here as a team representing Kisii with our colleagues from junior school who are serving as interns in this country and this county. We are also saddened because we have had a number of times our government contradicting itself in various ministries. As my brother said, because we have conflicting information from Treasury and CS Education, we want to tell this government from Kisii County where we stand from, that come next year, if we are not going to confirm these junior school teachers, which is a cohort that was brought by design, because this is a cohort that was brought to teach STEM, corporate power. They were brought to fill the gap because the STEM teachers for sciences were not employed in junior school. This is a group that if they not attend to their learners in class, there will be no learning in those institutions. We don't want to take the government that direction, that you are forcing us to take you to that direction. We met in Nairobi during the National Governing Council, our National Executive Board, and all the secretaries and women nominees, and we agreed in one accord that this government moves a lot of speed as from next month to start issuing letters of permanent and pensionable immediately, so that these guys will start serving the teachers in this country. So we will not sit back and wait till January, because we want our learners to be attended, because we are transiting from junior school to senior school. In the event there is a lot of instability in terms of this movement from junior school to senior school, there will be a lot of chaos in this country. So we want to ask the government through the Ministry of Education, submit what you are requested from Treasury. Submit what you are requested from Treasury. Our teachers need jobs. The 17,000 they are getting as interns is very little money. They cannot sustain them. So we will not allow again the next cohort that will be employed to be paid 17,000. That's it is laughable. That's an abuse to a teacher of this country. 17,000, a whole graduate getting 17,000. When you have been employed as an intern, you need to be remunerated very well. So for this case, as we are waiting for the government to bring on board another intern, the cohort of intern teachers, we need also that money to be increased to 30,000. At least a teacher will be able to meet one or two duties or engagements wants to do. Colleagues, I want to tell the entire nation, I want to tell the entire teachers in this country, our intern teachers, wherever you are, stay firm. We are with you. As the leadership, we will not relent until you've been given letters, your permanent and pensionable. Confirmation power. Confirmation power. And we are coming for you, because we heard you say that you want to continue having our junior school teachers in the comprehensive schools. We want again to warn you that going forward, these are independent institutions. So we want to have this institution being independent, that is autonomous. Autonomy viva! Viva! Autonomy viva! Viva! We want those teachers in those institutions, in terms of administration, in terms of execution of duties, these teachers, we want to stand by themselves. So that is our stand as Kisii and Kenya. So there is also an active case in court. If we will continue working like this, we know these things are working all over in the entire world. This issue of having autonomy of our institutions, it is anchored all over in the world. Go to India, go to South Africa, go to USA, go to Britain. They are working as independent institutions. So we will move to court, we'll go to the streets, we'll use all means, both air, water, and land, and ensure that everything has come to our way. That is what we, as an undertaking from Kisii County and the colleagues, wherever you are, we will urge you to stay firm. We work together as Kuppet and as teachers of interns. Next year,